Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Multixel multi-USB-C port fast charger. It is a 240 watt charger. It is 8 ports. You get port 1, which is 100 watts, and then 3, 4, 5, and 6 are 45 watts. It does come with a lightning cable capable of 30 watts, and then 2 USB-C cables capable of 100 watts. So very nice of them to include all those cables. This is going to be my new desktop charger. I have another one that's a different brand that only has 2 USB-C ports on it, and the rest are USB-A. So I just don't have enough ports on there for charging everything that I charge here at my desk. Multiple phones, tablet, the light on my monitor is USB powered. So I got a bunch of different stuff that is USB powered here at my desk. I charge battery banks, all that kind of stuff. So this is going to come in handy for this. Especially with that 100 watt port. It can fast charge my Anchor power banks and stuff like that that charge at I think 65 and 100 watts depending on which one I have. So they have the little scan QR code here for registering your lifetime warranty. And something else down there, user information right here. We've got your standard just AC 2-prong power cable right there. And then right here we have the 2 USB-C cables, and they are braided cables. They feel like pretty good high quality cables, especially for something that's included with a charger. And then we have a braided USB-C to Lightning cable here, which actually will come in handy because I use AirPods Max at my desk, and I refuse to pay Apple $500 some or whatever they are to upgrade my Lightning AirPods Max to USB-C when that's the only upgrade the headphones have. So I have not done that. I still have Lightning AirPods Pro and AirPods Max, so using a Lightning cable does come in handy. And the cool thing about this charger is it is all USB-C except for one port, which is actually perfect for me because my monitor light uses USB-A, and my other one uses USB-C, so I can have that plugged in still and have plenty of ports for charging phones, tablets, battery banks, all sorts of stuff. So we're going to go over those here in a second. Let's take the plastic off real quick. There we go. So get that out of the way. And then here we go on this. It does have the ports labeled. Let's see if we can get a good close-up here. I don't know if you guys will be able to read the text because it's kind of like gray on black, but USB-C 1, 100 watts, USB-C 2, 35 watts, C3 and C4 are 45 watts, C5 and C6 are 45 watts, C7 is 20 watts, and then the USB-A is 18 watts. So shouldn't have any problems powering, a laptop, a couple tablets, and then charging your phone, at 35 watts or 20 watts, depending on what kind of phone you have. So very, very nice charger here. Like I said, I'm going to set this up on my desk, and it's going to replace that other one. And I'm going to be able to plug in my, the 100 watt port. I'll probably just leave, like I have a free cable laying around for charging, battery banks and stuff like that. And then the other ports, I'll plug in some cables to charge my phones. I've got two Samsungs, and I've got my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I always need ports to charge all that kind of stuff and keep them charged for using them in videos. So thank you to Multixel for sending this out. They do say they are a Utah-based company, I believe it was. So they are based in the U.S. I believe this is, designed in the USA, made in China. But it is cool to see them designing something like this here in the USA. And this is on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description for you guys. But this thing is only $57.99. And that's a pretty good deal for coming with the cables and all these ports, 240 watt charger. They do have one that comes with a pouch, but for whatever reason, that one is $71. I don't think you should spend, $14, $15 on a pouch. So if you're going to set this up on a desk or a table or your nightstand or something like that, there's really no need for that. So $57.99 here on Amazon right now. I'll put that link in the description for you guys if you want to pick one of these up. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.